and start. Supreme Court laid down when the proceedings can be quashed under Section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 (CRPC) if the parties have reached a settlement stop. The judgment was delivered by a three-judge bench consisting of Justice R. M. Lodha, Justice Anil R. Dave, and Justice Sudhanshu Jyoti Stop. Jyan Singh was convicted under sections 420 (cheating) and 120B (criminal conspiracy) of the Indian Penal Code 1860 (IPC) by a magistrate. Stop. While his appeal was pending before the Sessions Judge Gyan Singh filed an application for compounding the offence, which was directed to be considered along with the main appeal. Stop. Gyan Singh filed a petition under Section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 (CRPC) for quashing the FIR on grounds of compounding the offence. Stop. The High Court dismissed the petition, leading to Gyan Singh filing a special leave petition before the Supreme Court. Stop. The two-judge bench hearing the special leave petition doubted the correctness of three previous Supreme Court decisions that had directly indirectly permitted compounding of non-compoundable offences. Stop. The bench noted that while Section 420 with IPC (cheating) is compoundable with permission of the court, Section 120B IPC (criminal conspiracy) is non-compoundable. Stop. The bench expressed the view that something which cannot be done directly cannot be done indirectly, and non-compoundable offences should not be permitted to be compounded by the court. Stop. The matter was referred to a larger bench to reconsider the correctness of the three previous decisions. Stop. The case involved consideration of the relationship between Section 320 of the Code which provides for compounding of certain offences and Section 482 which saves the inherent power of the High Court Stop. The larger bench was tasked with determining whether the High Court could use its inherent powers under Section 482 to quash criminal proceedings involving non-compoundable offences when parties have reached a settlement. Stop. The court affirmed that the High Court's power to quash criminal proceedings under its inherent jurisdiction (Section 482) is distinct from the power of compounding offences under Section 320 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Stop. The court held that inherent power, while broad in scope with no statutory limitation, must be exercised in accordance with two guidelines to secure the ends of justice or to prevent abuse of court process. Stop. The court emphasized that the decision to quash criminal proceedings based on settlement between parties must depend on the specific facts and circumstances of each case. Stop. The court ruled that heinous and serious offences such as murder, rape, and dacoity cannot be quashed. Stop. So ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस.